Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Patanjali Youvnamrit Vati is, how it works, or how to use it, and what it offers. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the the Youvnamrit Vati is basically an Ayurvedic proprietary supplement formulated to support male vitality, strength, stamina, and overall wellness. The company says that it's made with a blend of traditional herbs and ingredients that you can find basically on the website. You can find all the ingredients here to support energy and help general weaknesses. Of course, you can make your own research about those ingredients if you want to. Also, according to the websites, they show you direction for use. So take 1 to 2 tablets twice daily with water or milk as directed by physician. And you'll find other things like indications, safety information, technical information, and additional information for you. So before purchasing, take a few minutes to review the ingredient lists and the products information carefully, since dietary supplements may affect everyone differently. It's always a good idea to do your own research and make sure that the product is suitable for your individual use. And according to the official website, if you want to buy it, you'll just have to choose an example, the one that you want, click on add to cart, and from the carts example, you can click on checkout. From here, you can click on place an order. You'll have to create an account, enter your shipping details and payment information, and follow any on-screen instructions. But before completing your purchase, make sure to review everything like the pricing, shipping information, return policy, so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to read the product details and doing your own research is always recommended. So if you have any questions also about that product, you can find at the bottom of the page frequently asked question, as well as the contact us option if you have any question to contact them directly. And as with any dietary supplements, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it to make sure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Also, make sure that you are doing your own research and only continuing if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.